My Beauty, and today I'll be showing you how to use our liquid magnetic eyeliner. My Beauty's liquid magnetic eyeliner makes it very, very easy to apply your magnetic lashes. It looks just like this, and it comes in a little tube with a small brush that allows for very precise application. The first thing you want to do before applying your magnetic liquid liner is make sure you give it a really good shake. That way all the magnetic properties are mixed throughout the product. Now when applying your magnetic liquid liner, you're going to apply it like you would any liner. But make sure your liner is at least as thick as the magnet on your lash band. Another thing you want to do is make sure you put at least 2 coats of the liquid magnetic liner. That way the magnet has a strong hold to your eye. Now you want to make sure that your magnetic liquid liner dries down completely. In the meantime, I like to put some mascara on my natural lashes. Now this is an optional step. You don't have to do this, but I do like to do this myself. Today I'll be using the My Beauty Dual Mascara. Now when applying your lashes, you may use some sort of application tool. Today I'll be using tweezers because I'm very comfortable with using tweezers, but if you're someone who is new to applying lashes, I highly recommend using our lash applicator tool, as it is a very safe way to apply your lashes. Now it's time to choose the magnetic lashes that you will be wearing. Today I'll be wearing the Sassy Lash. Now they do come with the bottom lashes in case you want to wear them the traditional magnetic way, but today, since we are using the liner, we will only be using the top lashes right here. Now if you are using a more dramatic or thick lash like I am today, I do like to play with the lash a little bit just to make sure it's very flexible and it will mold to the shape of my eye very well. So just very, very gently wiggle the lash like this. Now what you're going to want to do is take your lashes with your application tool. I like to grab it in the middle of the lash, and what I like to do is hold it up to the middle of my eye just to make sure it is completely centered, and kind of gently press it down. This is where I decide if I need to move it around at all, if I want to bring it more in or more out. I do like the placement of my lash right now, so what I'm going to do is gently press down on the inside and the outside of the lash. Now if the lash is exactly where you want it to be, you can go ahead and press the magnets down a little harder. If it is a little off, this is when I like to adjust it before I completely press them down. You can pull it off, but sometimes you do pull off a little bit of the liner, so I like to press it down lightly first, and then if you're happy, then press it down completely. Once the lash is completely adhered to the liner, I like to pinch my natural lashes to the false lashes just to make sure that they are blended in completely. Now let's do the second lash. And as long as you follow these steps, your lashes will be on all day. And I find that the longer that they are on, the stronger the magnetic bond gets, so your lashes will not come off until you want to take them off. I am so excited for you to try our magnetic liquid liner. It honestly makes your life so much easier. You don't have to worry about the mess and the hassle of glue. And if you're someone who already enjoys magnetic lashes, it honestly makes it very, very easy. If you're excited and interested to give our magnetic liquid liner a try, just go to the description box below, as I have added the link there for you. I hope you have a fantastic day.